नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, स्वागत आहे आपल्या यूट्यूब चॅनल ज्याचं नाव आहे मोहित मोटिवेटेड एक्झाम चॅनल. आज आपण बघणार आहोत TET म्हणजे महाराष्ट्र राज्य शिष्यपत्र परीक्षा 2013 रोजी झालेल्या पेपर 1 मधील इंग्रजी भागातील प्रश्न. हा पेपर 1 हा 1 ते 5वीसाठी घेण्यात येतो. चला तर मग सुरुवात करूया व्हिडिओला. प्रश्न पहिला, चूज द करेक्ट अल्टरनेटिव्ह ऑफ वर्ब. सेंटेन्स आहे, व्हेन वी रीच द स्टेडियम द प्लेयर्स fill in the blanks already. Options have gone, went, had gone, has gone. The correct option is option number third, had gone. Then question number 2, identify the underlying clauses in the statement. Sentence आहे, the patient was sure that the would recover. आणि अंडरलाईन केलेले क्लॉजेस विचारलेलं आहे. पर्यायामधून पर्याय बघूया. नॉन क्लॉजेस, एक्झिक्युटिव्ह क्लॉजेस, ॲडव्हर्बल क्लॉजेस ऑफ रिझन, ॲडव्हर्बल क्लॉजेस ऑफ कॉन्सेशन. द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन नंबर 1, नॉन क्लॉजेस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, चूज द करेक्ट स्प्लिट वर्ड. ऑप्शन्स सॅटेलाइट, 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 सॅटेलाइट. द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन नंबर 4, सॅटेलाइट. Then question number 4, choose the correct figure of the speech in the given line. Line है, exclude o, sure and ring o bell. Options simile, metaphor, climax, apostrophes. The correct option is option number 4, apostrophes. Apostrophe. Then question number 5, choose the correct synonym of combat. Option fight, quarrel, feud, conflict. The correct option is option number 1, fight. Question number 6, choose the correct assertive sentence of the given sentence. Sentence है, how can any burglar open the window? Option, no burglar could not open the window. The burglar can't open the window. The burglar can open the window. The window cannot be opened by the burglar. The correct option is option number 2, the burglar can't open the window. Next question number 7, choose the correct indirect speech of the given sentence. Sentence है, he said, why had you called her and disturbed me? Options, he asked why he was called there and disturbed him. He asked why had he called there and disturbed him. He asked why he had called there and disturbed him. He asked that why he had called there and disturbed him. The correct option is option number 3, he asked why he had called there and disturbed him. Next question number 8, select the correct neither nor answer of the given sentence. Sentence है, Vijayant didn't pay attention to the parents. He did not learn from teachers. Options, Vijayant neither paid attention to parents nor learned from teacher. Vijayant paid neither attention to parents nor learn from a teacher. Vijayant neither pay attention to parents nor learn from teacher. Vijayant neither pay attention to parents nor learn from teacher. The correct option is option number 1, Vijayant neither paid attention to parents nor learn from teacher. Next question number 9, choose the correct so that sentence of the given sentence. Sentence है, it was too difficult for Keshav to pay heed to the teacher. Options, it was so difficult that Keshav could not pay heed to the teacher. It was so difficult for Keshav that he couldn't pay heed to the teacher. It was so difficult for Keshav that he can't pay heed to the teacher. It was so difficult that Keshav could pay heed to the teacher. The correct option is option number 1, ही वॉज सो डिफिकल्ट दॅट केशव कुड नॉट पे heed to the teacher. Question number 10. Select the correct question tag for the given sentence. Sentence आहे show me the way to the park. Option don't you, will you, will me, will I, will you. The correct option is option number 4, will you. तर ही होती महा-टी-टीच्या संदर्भात 2013 रोजी इंग्रजी विभागातील प्रश्न. व्हिडिओ आवडल्यास व्हिडिओला लाईक करा, कॉमेंट्स करा, जास्तीत जास्त व्हिडिओ शेअर करा आणि चॅनलवर जर नवीन असाल तर चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका.